Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Yiddish video. Today we'll be looking at prefixes in Yiddish. Prefixes play a huge role in the Yiddish language. In fact, adding a prefix can change the entire meaning of a verb or can alter it slightly to portray a different connotation. For example, adding the prefix Tzam to a verb shows that the subject did the verb more harshly or repeatedly. It also shows it in a more negative light as well. Hat gegessen, he ate. Hat Tzam gegessen, he ate. Sie hat geschrieben, she wrote. Sie hat Tzam geschrieben, she wrote. There's no good English translation for this other than the tone it's set in. Here are some more common prefixes in Yiddish with their translations. Ziehen, to hear. Ziehen, to listen. Aushören, to listen thoroughly and completely. Verhören, to quiz orally. Lachen, to laugh. Mitlachen, to laugh along. Auslachen, to laugh at. Gappen, to catch or understand. Ausgappen, to beat someone to something. Zugen, to say. Auszugen, to tell on someone or confess. Zugen, to promise. Nachzugen, to repeat after someone. Reddn, to speak. Tzamreddn, to talk a lot of nonsense. Ausreddn, to break a silence or speak at a designated quiet time or place. Essen, to eat. Aufessen, to eat up. Mitessen, to eat something with something else. Beten, to request. Ausbeten, to request something during prayers. Überbeten, to apologize. Stein, to stand. Beistein, to prefer. Anstein, to stay the night. Geben, to give. Vergeben, to forgive. Nachgeben, to give in. Gein, to go. Vorgein, to occur. Ungein, to be bothered by. Nachgein, to follow. Schlufen, to sleep. Heranschlufen, to sleep in. Verschlufen, to oversleep. Anschlufen, to fall asleep. Sich ausschlufen, to sleep until fully rested. That's it for today! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in understanding the works of Yiddish. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep getting more Yiddish videos like this. Tak für die Tag, Tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!